What's going on, guys? Coach Mark here for another workout. All right, so today we have a total body workout, and it's one of many that we have on our Metcon Engine page on YouTube. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Before we begin, equipment, what do we need? Okay, we're gonna need a pair of dumbbells. All right, I have a dumbbell and a kettlebell here with me. So if you don't have a kettlebell, you're fine. I'm just using it just because I don't have a 25-pound dumbbell, so I'm just gonna use that as my weight. I'm gonna do some exercise. Also, if you have a stability ball, grab a stability ball out. If you don't have one, no worries. I'll show modifications for that. Okay? All right. So before we begin, let's get warmed up. I need 30 jumping jacks. Here we go. 1, 3, 2, 1, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Okay, I'm using my mat over here for my feet. Yeah. Straight leg kicks. All right. Get those hamstrings warmed up. Opposite hand, opposite toe or foot. Ready? Let's go. Nice long kick. Take 2 steps. Let's get 4. This is 2. Get 2 more. Really give me a nice high kick. Last one. Ooh. Nice work. Perfect. Okay. We're going to grab that knee. All right. And then we're going to take a lunge back. And then into rotation. Okay, let's do it again. Grab that knee, reverse lunge, rotation to your right. 2 more times. Grab that knee, so you step back, rotation, and then last one. And then rotation. Good, switch it up. Let's go opposite. Rotate. And forward, okay? So just get into this dynamic stretching, into a little float here with a knee hug for the hips, and then a T-spot rotation. 1 more. There we go. Okay. Lateral lunge into a glute stretch. Okay, so from here, take a step. All right, from there, lateral lunge, grab that same knee, glute stretch. Okay, let's do it again. Knee ankle, pull right up, that's 2 more. Okay, let's go last one. Switching it up, ready? Yeah. Let's do it again. 2 more. Last one. Nice job. Let's go to stretch. What we're going to do is take a step back with your right foot. Stab your right arm inside the ground. Left elbow to left ankle. I want you to rotate to that ceiling. Gauge your eyes to your hands. From there, drop your hand outside left foot. Hips back, try to straighten out the left leg. Left toes off that ground. And relax and switch. Left leg back, left hand spike to the ground. Right elbow to the right ankle. Rotate towards the ceiling. Nice long reach. Hand outside foot, hips back. Right toe off the ground. Try to straighten that right leg. Good, 1 more time. Little scoot and stretch. All right, last one, opposite leg. Nice work. All right, good. Perfect, okay. So I think we're ready to get into our workout, okay? So, first exercise is going to, first block, all right, it's going to consist of 3 rounds of 3 exercises. All right, that's gonna be 40 seconds of work with a 20-second break. So that first one, it's gonna be a single leg split squat, all right, with the overhead press. So I'm just gonna use one mat over here for this one. I'll grab my dumbbell, split squat. So my left leg forward, right foot back. Split squat, inside squat, up, press 1, up, all right, and then 2. So we're gonna go ahead and do 40 seconds on your right, 40 seconds on your left. Now, if your goal is, all right, to add more muscle, you wanna go a little bit heavier in weight, and try to count your repetitions within the 40 seconds. So your goal is to get anywhere between 8 to 12 repetitions within the 40-second time frame. If your goal is to burn more fat, go light, and anywhere between 12 and whatever you can get within that 40-second time frame. Okay, and then stay consistent for each round to make sure you hit those numbers. Okay, each time. Okay, so that's exercise 1. We're gonna do right leg, left leg, press, 40 seconds for both. Okay. Second exercise, it's going to be almost on all fours, right? And then from there, knees off the ground, we're just gonna drop our butt to our heels, and then we're gonna bring it forward into a push-up. Drop our butt to our heels. So it's almost like a squat, a press, but we're just doing it from the floor position. All right. So 40 seconds on, 40 seconds off. Okay. I'm sorry, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Let me go ahead and not use these. Just to make it easier. Sleeping underneath me. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's get this workout started. All right. Got my timer ready. 10 seconds. All right, here we go. We got 3, 2, 1, let's and go. Come on. Squat and press. Squat and press. Nice. Halfway. 10 seconds. One more. And relax. Okay, switch it up. So I love doing my lower body workout. Right. On my feet, just so I get more grounded to the ground. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So I'm more grounded, right, onto that floor. More grounded to the ground. 1. A lower body push, upper body push. 10 seconds. Last one. And relax. Nice job. Ooh, okay. Tough. Okay. Let's go ahead. On our knees and our toes. And drop our hips back towards our butt. Arms out in front. Thrust forward into a push-up. Ready? Let's go. Boom. Hips back. Forward. Back. Now modification. Just give me push-ups. Okay? If this is too hard, push-ups or modifications to a plank and right back. Okay? It's up to you. All right, round two. With these total pushes for back-to-back workouts, gonna be tough. Here we go, round two. 3, 2, 1, let's go. There goes my. 15 seconds. Last one. Get it, relax. Oh. This up real quick. Okay. Opposite. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ten seconds. Last one. Relax. Oh boy. Okay. Into our squat push-up. Ready? Let's go. Uh, 20 seconds. This one. And relax. Okay. All right, into that last set. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Last one. Ooh, switch it up. In a second, get ready. All right. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Seconds. Then relax. Finish it out right here. Whew. All right, ready? Set. Let's go. Wait seconds. Last one. And relax. Man, good job, guys. All right. Block 1 done. Block 2 coming up. Take a minute break. I'll see you on the other side. Nice job. All right, guys, welcome to block 2. Block 2, upper pull, lower pull. First exercise. I'm gonna take a single dumbbell, or kettlebell. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull, so single leg, all right, ISO hold, all right, it's gonna be RDL. So, single leg ISO hold right here. Dumbbells, I'm gonna count, grab one dumbbell, I'm just gonna pull to that belly button, 20 seconds on the left leg, and then 20 seconds on the opposite leg. So if you need help with your balance, you can bend that back leg, or you can stab your foot to the ground. Okay, then as we pull, I want to make sure my shoulders are down away from the ears, and I'm pulling my wrist towards my bottom of the rib cage, so almost towards your hips. All right, to that belly button. That's what you want to pull. Okay. Exercise 1. Exercise 2, which is to get to the ground. I'm just gonna do a glute bridge march. It's really simple. All right, I'm keeping it simple for this one. So on our back, driving the hips up, making sure my back is nice and flat behind me. And then all I want to do is gonna march. March. So it's not gonna be high kicks. Just keep it short. Because I want to make sure my back stays nice and straight behind me. Okay? Because sometimes as we bring our knees up a little higher, our hips start to drop. I want to keep the hips up as much as possible in that 40-second time frame. Exercise 3 on this one, onto our belly. That's just going to be Y's and T's, okay? 20 seconds of Y's, 20 seconds of T's. So I'm here on my belly, thumbs up. I'm going to face you for a second. So I'm going to be here. Y's, head down, 20 seconds. T's, thumbs up for 20 seconds. All right, so those are our 3 exercises for this block. You guys ready? Let's go ahead and do it. My timer here. All right, 10 seconds. And then we're on. Let's get it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's pull. Good. Switch it up right into it. And relax. Nice job. All right. On our back. Those are tough. Those are tough. All right. On the back. Grab this one. Hips up. All right, ready? Set. Let's march. I'm driving to the balls. I'm sorry, to my midfoot, to my heel. All right, so as I'm marching with the opposite foot, I'm pushing the wheel hard into the ground with the foot to the ground. 10 seconds. Yeah, relax. Good job. All right. Onto our belly. Y's and T's. All right. First one, Y's. All right. We're going for 20. All right. Thumbs up. Head to the ground. All right. If you have a towel, place it to the ground. Ready? Let's go. Now, if you have light dumbbells, like 2 or 3 pounds, go ahead and grab those. And you can use this. All right. For this exercise. Now, I love to do this exercise for my mobility exercise before working out, and my warm up, and tees, just to get those, what do you call it, a whole backside warmed up for my back workouts and shoulder workouts. Relax and chill. All right, from the top. Round 2. Here we go. Ready? All right. You got 3, 2, 1. Let's to the floor. Let's go. And switch. And relax. All right, onto our back. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. Oh, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's march. Five seconds. And relax. All right, onto our belly. Here we go. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, into our T's. Come on. And relax. All right, last round. All right, ready? Yeah, 3, 2, 1, let's go. And switch. And relax. Nice job. Okay. Try back. All right, ready? Whew. 3, 2, 1. Let's march. It's 10 seconds. And relax. All right, last ones. Y's and C's to bring it home. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's a tease. And relax. Nice job. All right, nice work, guys. Ooh. Okay, so block 2 completed. Block 3 is going to be our core exercise, so stick around for that. We're going to need a stability ball, so if you have one, grab it. If not, show modifications, all right, without it. Good job. All right, guys, block 3, core workout, okay? How this is going to work is we're going to do 4 rounds of 20 seconds of work with a 10-second break. And all we have is one exercise, okay? Stability ball, stir the pot. We're going to stir the pot while we're on a plank position on the ball. Stir to your right for 20 seconds, we'll take a break. Stir to your left for 20 seconds, take a break. How do you set up? Onto the ball, feet nice and wide for good stability in the core. From there, all right, chest off the ball, we're going to stir to your right. Face you for a second. to the right. Big circle, small circle, whatever you want. Okay? And then we'll go opposite. That's it. Straight to your right, straight to your left. Modifications. Now, if you don't have a ball, okay, all I want you to do is just give me a high plank. So feet nice and wide, shoulders over the wrist. I just want you to tap your shoulders. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, for 20 seconds. So let's see if you can do that. If you need to modify. Now, also for those who have, if you do get tired, you can also do that onto the floor or onto your knees if you need to. And then lastly, when you're tapping those shoulders, keep those hips quiet, okay? The hips don't move. Boom, boom. My hands are a little bit narrow, right? Not too far out wide and narrow. Tap, tap, okay? You guys got it? Stir the pot. All right, let's see how this goes. Get my timer ready here. All right. 10 seconds. It's game time. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Stir. And relax. Okay, round 1. You got 7 more to go. All right, round 2, ready? Let's go. Slippery over here. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. Round 3. Ready? Let's go. Ooh, tough, getting tough. Relax. Oh, it's getting tough, guys. Okay. Round 4 coming up. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Relax. Yeah, if you guys have a towel, use a towel. If you don't slip off this easily. Okay. Hey, halfway. We need 4 more to go. 4 more rounds. Ready? Set. Let's go. How my shoulder tap folks doing? And relax. Good. All right, to the left. Ready? Set. Let's go. All right, last 2 and then we're done. Goodness, this is tougher than I thought. Here we go. 3 seconds. Ready? Set. Let's go. Relax. Okay. Last one. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. relax. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. We are done. Excuse me while I just fall apart. Okay. Let's go ahead. Stretch it out real quick. Onto your back. Whew. Oh man. This workout was tough. All right, knee to chest. Now, the reason why it's tough is because you guys, so in the, what do you call it, on my end, still behind the scenes, I had to re-record this workout a few times because my computer kept glitching and kept stopping, so I had to do this workout like over, probably twice, and I'm exhausted. So this 40-minute workout ended up being like an hour and a half for me, so I'm exhausted. Right? Left leg out, put my right knee towards the chest. So that's behind the scenes. So I wish it always goes. I wish it did go smoothly, like I plan on it, but it never does. And switch it up. Cool. So I'm glad I made it to this end. I'm glad that my computer didn't glitch and I kept recording. And here we are at the end, stretching it out. Whew. All right, butterfly stretches. Feet together. Hands on top of those knees. Thanks again, guys, for completing another total body workout with me. Again, we have tons of total body workouts. Hopefully you're able to do them. A good variety of them. Subscribe to the workout. Subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends, family. Right? Help support Metcon Engine. All right, from here, sit all the way up. Ooh, reach those toes. All right. All right. Hey, thanks again for joining me. You guys have a good one. Make sure to recover, grab a drink, grab some protein, and you'll be good to go. Have a good one.